guys, it's Saturday morning, just got up, Beck's gone and she's running a 5-kilometre time trial. Such a nice morning. I just woke the dog up. He's still trying to wake up, he thinks he's getting put outside, so he's not happy. Anyway, it's so nice outside. Have a look at it. It's really nice out here, so I'm going to take the dog to the park. He doesn't want to go outside. And get a coffee. And then I'm going to put the cover on the boat from yesterday. And then we're going to go look at some 4-wheel drives. So I'm just going to take the dog for a run while Beck's at her time trial. So yeah, we're going to go do that now, and then I'm going to go get coffee. And yeah, that's about it. So we're running, well, Astro's running me. I'll check back soon. So just ran 3k. It was alright. It's cold, so it's hard to breathe. But Astro's run now, so that's all that matters. He's over there. Go for a walk to the end of the street so I can cool down. Then we'll check back. So we just got home. Just gonna take him inside and give him some breakfast. And then I'm gonna go get coffee for Beck and I. And then come back and edit. See you soon. And we're back. So Beck's getting her nails done, eyelashes done, sorry. There's the dog. At Bud's Beach, which is like near Surfers Paradise. So I'm gonna get on the jet ski and go meet her for breakfast. There's a boat from yesterday, gotta put the cover on it. But yeah, I'm gonna go meet her for breakfast. Check back soon. So I just had to jump start the jet ski, and the claw, like the charger I have, the claws are broken, so I had to gaffer tape the charger back together, and then I gaffer taped the claws, like the things you put on the battery, I don't know what they're called, things you put on the battery, onto the battery and balance it, turn the charger on, and then the jet ski started. So now we're on our way, so it'll be right. And because Beck's not here, I got this rope rigged up to there, because this mechanism here, I have to just undo that and push it off, and then I have to walk it around, because normally we'd back it down and then I'll drive it back up, and Beck would unhook that hook there, and then I'll just come around and pick her up. But because she's not here, I gotta do it by myself. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'll get some GoPro footage right now. Dog's not very happy he's coming, but yeah, so we're gonna go eat breakfast.
just like the wind is freezing. So joining me because he's like wind back on the beach, a little bit beached. Good morning from me, guys. Just had brekkie at Bumbles. It was so good. Ate so much food. Did a 5k time trial with my little brother this morning. He has a boxing competition coming up soon, so we just have to do that to try and get a bit fitter. So I've been doing it with him. I think I just did over 21 minutes, which was annoying. I wanted to break 21, but that's alright. There's always next week. But this is our view today.
The next morning.
Back to our usual screening.
I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actual like icicles on the chair from where like the water has dried from when we've cleaned it. That is how cold it is on the Gold Coast. Today we are saying good morning from the boat. It's like 7 a.m, but it's such a nice morning.
3 degrees.
No, it's about 15 degrees and it's freezing. Say good morning, Astro. Good boy.
Yeah, we're just gonna go out on the boat and watch the sun come up, visit some houses and stuff.
Drink coffee because it's so cold.
Yeah, drink coffee.
Reached our breakfast destination. Look how nice the water looks. There's little fish at the back of our boat too, which is pretty exciting.
Oh my god, you can't be serious. Told you to take them off.
We are just heading back home to go cook some breakfast. I think they want some pancakes or corn and zucchini fritters. It's so nice out here, so we're just going to go look at some cars quickly and then we're going to come back out on the jet ski, I think. It's such a nice day. It's like no wind, perfect water. There's not many boats out because it's only like 8:30 at the minute.
Hey guys, back at wave break. We've just been for a jet ski. It's a pretty big surf, so we came in and had to go to the toilets.
We went out through the spit on the waves because my brother was out there, but it was not fun, so we came back in.
And it's so nice here at the moment.
The sun's about to go down. It's 5 to 5. It's pretty cold. The water's actually warmer than the wind, I reckon.
And outside, that's a jet ski over there. There's nobody here. So we're nearly finished on Wavebreak Island. The sun's gone down. And we're about to head home. It's pretty cold. It's probably like 12 degrees, but obviously the water and the sand and stuff makes it a bit cooler. It's just taking panoramas for the thumbnail. It was so nice. Sometimes the water's even warmer because your feet are that cold. But yeah, it's a really nice afternoon. It's been a good day. We went out on the boat this morning. Went and looked at some houses, did some washing and stuff. And then came out, went out and surfed. And then came back in here. We're about to go home.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's another video done.
Hit the like button down below if you want to see more, subscribe.